I wanted to share with you. I should have done an unboxing, but it came in this little tiny little box. It's so thick. Well, I'm so like excited. I just ripped it. Look how taped it was, and it came with a nice warm fleece. I don't know what kind of material that is, but here it is. Look, it was so well wrapped. And look at this, Haworthia Truncata. Oh my god, I got this. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. It is beautiful, and it's fine, and it has its roots, and I am so excited. I can't wait to put it in its pot. And my lord, I was worried that it might come frozen, but it didn't come frozen. Look at it, it's so gorgeous. And I'm going to send a feedback to this young lady and thank her so much. She really warmed it up. She really wrapped it well. I did receive another one, but that one did not survive. Yeah, I know, bad girl ordering at this time of the year. I know, but this one survived, and another one that I received, which I did film the unboxing, those ones survived. But the other order from the I ordered something else and it did not survive. But this one survived, guys. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just beautiful. And well, I will repot it and put it in a nice small pot and let it grow. I guess she'll need time to adjust to this home. I'm so happy and excited. I'm so glad that she wrapped it up so well. And she wrapped it in a whole bunch. Like, look at all this paper. She like really rolled it up and covered it, and then she put it inside a bag, and then she wrapped it with this nice warm little fleece thing. I don't know what it is. It looks like insulation to me, but I don't know, but it's so warm. And it came inside another bag, and then another bag, and it was like a whole bunch of bags. I'm so glad it came alive. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Well, my friends, it's a very short video. I just wanted to share with you my happiness. I'm so excited of getting this beautiful color here. It's white and it's gorgeous. Yeah, I wanted to share my happiness, and I'm glad it came intact. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on my social media, and I will see you in our next video. Don't forget to click that bell. Bye.